Follow the step how to make fur abstract background like this in Adobe Illustrator. Let's start by creating a new document. I use this artboard size. Make a rectangle for background. Fill black color. Lock layer 1 and add a new layer. Make a circle. Fill gradient color. Copy this. Change to black. Select and press Ctrl-Alt-B. Make line using paintbrush tool. Select white stroke. Double-click and set fidelity to smooth. Start making a line using brush. Select, press D and slash. Select all. Go to Object. Blend, replace spine. Object again. Blend, reverse spine. Go to Blend Options. Set it like this. Go to Effect. Distort and transform, roughen. Check preview and set it like this. Press A, click, press V, and resize. Do the same way to this. Press A, click, and you can edit the gradient. Finish. OK. Support this channel by clicking like and leaving your best comments. Activate the notification bell to get the latest updates from this channel. Thank you.